Mr. Old Dog.
Yes.
Why are we here?
Because this is the place where Michael Jackson died.
I'm scared.
There's no need to be scared of Michael Jackson.
No, I mean I'm scared of heights.
What do you mean you're scared? This mountain is just 10,899 feet above the ground.
That is very high.
Anyway, I will tell you the story of how Michael Jackson died.
Okay.
Legends say that Michael Jackson was found dead after a man named Mr. Spock kidnapped him.
Who is this Mr. Spock?
Well, Mr. Spock was one of the most Angus people in 2011.
This year is 3011, so that was 1000 years ago.
You are correct.
Can we go now?
Why?
Because I want my mama.
Okay then, let's go.